Hello students, today our chapter is planning. Okay, now planning is what? That is whenever you are doing any kind of task, something you prepare about it, like when you are going to do it, how you are going to do it, who is going to do it. So this all the things comes under planning. Okay, so one by one we will see it. So here business is an economic activity which has the motive of earning profit. Business enterprise has to collect complete information of various activities to be performed well in advance and consider matters like who will do what type of work, how, when, and to what extent. So here what it says that whenever you do any kind of task, okay, so that is it will have who will do, means who are the people who are going to be included in your work, then what type of work. So what type of work you are doing, either it is a written type of work which you have to do it together, a project type of work, or a model if you are going to make it, that type of work. Okay, then how you are going to do it, what the things will be required, then when you are going to start that work. Okay, and to what extent, means till how much period of time you will be completing that work. So these all things comes under your planning. Now in the business what it is, that is if you are going to make any new product, okay, if you are coming up with a new variety of a pen, then in that what the things will be required, what the new features you are going to add, how many people are going to be required in that, and till what extent, means till what period of time you will finish this task. So this everything comes under planning. Next, thus planning is forecasting the future and present. Planning is a universal process, whether it is a battlefield, a playground, a business unit, a political institute, a religious institute, or a social institute. Planning is required in every field. So why it is said that it is forecasting the future in the present? Because whatever task you are going to do it after 1 month or 1 year, if it is a very big task, then it will take 1 year also to do the planning, or 1 month also, or one week also. According to your task you will plan. So that is you are deciding it beforehand for starting of your project. Okay, then whether it is a battlefield or a playground or a business unit, that means planning will be required in each and every field. That is why it is said that it is a universal process. That means it will be used in each and every place, whether it is at your home, your mother is doing any task, or you are doing some study work, or in the business a person is doing a task of manufacturing a new product. So these all the fields will be requiring planning first. Okay, now next is what we want to achieve in future and how. For this various alternatives are to be considered, and from those the best alternative is to be selected. That is whenever you do planning you keep some possibilities, that if this part 1 works, then how it will be, if part 2 works, then how it will be. So this all are some alternatives that your project will work in that manner. Okay, so which alternative suits best, you will be using that. Concept: planning is to collect information for the activities to be undertaken in business, consider them in advance, and plan out how to do these activities. That is just we discussed above, that is who is going to do, how it is to be done. So these all parameters has to be seen and it has to be done completed. That is who, then persons should be selected for that, how, then you should know which method you are going to do. So these all parameters has to be seen. So your first information has to be collected, that is whatever you are doing, whatever task you are doing it, first you have to get the information about it. That is if you are manufacturing a pen, or even if you are coming up with a food packet, that also you have to get the information by doing a survey in the society, that what they like, what the taste they prefer. So from that information you come up with such a food packet that they would love it to buy. Okay, so this way whatever kind of project you are doing, first you have to gather all the information relating to it. Okay, next there are some definitions. First, according to Bill Gates, task of planning is choosing. That is whenever you plan you have to choose some parameters, that is either you're choosing material or you're choosing people or you're choosing method. Everything you have to choose properly according to your project. It is not that any method is applicable to any task. It is dependable only on your task, what you are doing. Next, according to George R. Terry, function of planning means assumption for results, policy to follow functions, stages, and to decide the method to be followed. This is another way of showing you the meaning of planning, but it means the same. That is, first you will be coming up with the information, then you find the analysis and do the assumptions what it is going to be, and you follow some rules and regulations, and later on you come up with the planning stage 1, that yes, now we're going to start the planning. So there are some stages and there are some methods to be followed. Without it you will not be successful. Okay, so that's it. The next topic will be coming up with the another video. Okay.